10 acres, 20 acres or something on fire. And I just drove my backhoe around the whole thing. And that spot's good. I like this spot.
Yeah, at least that one's out of the way.
Yeah.
You're just... But like that one may have been a bear, but it's probably an old ass track.
Yeah.
That was one of the good dogs that started. But we want a box rocker.
Oh, hell yeah. Oh, what is it? 20 pounds.
Oh, yeah. If it gets a good explosion.
Okay, man, get in. Let's go already.
I bet it was fucking Brent.
Probably was. Stupid puppy. Oh, let's put Brent up top.
Hey, I wanted to put Knothead, not Brent.
Like right now, as wet and moist as it is, yeah, they had probably stayed. Probably couldn't strike a track from yesterday, but they could run a track from yesterday. It has to be a little fresher for them to hit it on the box like this. There was some chip back there.
What do you see, Mayhem?
Here's the bear track.
It is
a little bear. We want a big bear. Here at Youren Outfitters, we only kill big bears. Let's go.
If it was like a good size black bear, I would be all over that.
It's going down, dude.
Dude, that's things.
It's waiting, going back for its cut. Yeah, it sounds a decent bear. Where's the cut?
Aw, little cinnamon.
Oh, two of them. Yeah.
No way.
Don't go down the tree. Dude, that's badass. Tree.
Come here, Bean.
Bean.
The sow kept running around, and finally the two cubs came down. We just watched them come out of the tree. No, we didn't. They were treed when we came up this road.
That's what I thought. Dude, that's a big old thing.
Dude, yeah.
Come here. Come on, get on. Bean, get on. Bean, get up. Yeah, it's usually pretty good up on top of that stuff. Come here. Come on. Olive. You got room on this side, Matt. Easy. Whoa.
Jeez, Mayhem.
I thought you said I had plenty of room.
Not fucking for it room. Got room on this side again. Right there. It just wasn't that funny.
Dave wanted us to drive his pickup up the road.
Yeah, I'm sure you want to use that.
Yeah.
Well, you gotta stay.
What? Yeah. Hey, roll up the windows. Yeah.
I'll run back.
Oh, wait, the strap.
Get on, cars.
Oh yeah.
Get on, Mars, cars.
Follow you. Rose? Oh my god.
I'd go the other way. This isn't good. 26 yards?
It's a long shot.
You're good, man.
I'm just helping you. I bet it is.
Look at this.
So yeah, I mean,
got
right?
one on this,
I
too.
mean, this is a pretty
Get you some stuff for your
as easy
page.
as it gets as far as you don't have to worry about it.
Haul ass down there and shoot it again.
Yeah.
Okay? You'll try and make it stay.
Hopefully you just smoke it right there. You don't have to worry about none of that.
So is it gonna hit like right below the shoulder, like center?
Yeah.
Or like just right below the shoulder?
Right below that
right
arm.
below the shoulder. I might even go down just a little bit because the shoulders are up like this.
Yeah.
I might go down about maybe an inch and a half.
You film Jason.
Split the
I'll
difference
film
between like the end of those needles
I'll get
and the
close.
actual shoulder line you see are maybe like 3/4 of the way up. Right now,
No.
I would go a little higher now that he's rolling over. It'll freaking come out. Go right where you were thinking. Hurry up. Yeah, you're good to shoot. You ready? Here we go. Drawing him back. Hitting pretty good.
Look at his teeth, dude. Look at his teeth.
Okay. Because 100% there was one up there on the ground. I didn't
The other
see
one
two,
might
I
be in the
only saw
tree.
one.
I didn't see it in him when I was moving around.
Yeah, there was one laying right there under.
Dude, the dogs took me down.
Hey, dog!
Come on, dogs! Woo!
Good girl. Good girl. Come here, dog.
Dude, what's that old scar there?
I don't know, dude.
This thing's an old fucking.
Just that old motherfucker.
Holy.
Good job, dog.
Damn.
Yo, way to go,
Nice
Jason.
Maybe not so much on the first one.
No, I think it was.
Is that a boar? Is it a boar?
Oh, the size of the gut.
It's got a wrecking ball, a big one.
Hey, let me see that again.
Dude, those are seriously the biggest nuts I've ever seen.
Oh, is that? This bear must be related to me.
Yeah.
Yeah!
Thank you. Dude.
Yo, let me see that thing.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, broke the tip.
He's an old son.
Yeah.
Well,
I know,
it was a second arrow too, so
Oh, yeah.
I imagine that one probably sailed through because the second one stuck.
Yeah, basically. That thing, Matt. It was getting hurt.
Congratulations, sir.
Thank you so much. I
Yeah.
appreciate it.
I didn't even see those.
Look at those.
Oh, you got to check them out.
You did him a
Harry,
favor.
hang on.
I saw one of them. So that's awesome.
Yeah, you can't get more mature than that.
Take some up high, some low, everywhere.
We can only handle half a Gossie in there. But
Let's do the paw.
He's got a big old foot.
when you're done.
I bet when that sucker was filled out in his prime, he was a clunker.
Yeah.
I guarantee you he's way lighter than he should be just because he's so old.
He feels. You can feel his backbone. Like,
Yeah.
That's it.
What's Pope and Young? 18?
18.
Oh, he's Pope and Young.
He's easy poking young. Here, copper.
Yeah.
Go over to the.
That's a good one from like right where Matt's at. That's him right in the way.
Oh yeah, this guy kills shit.
No, he doesn't. Look at all those tabs. Yeah, they were quarantining yesterday.
Really?
Yeah, that's why we couldn't find one.
Oh shit!
You got, I don't know what.
Matt, tell us what you're seeing under the tree there from your angle. There from your angle.
It was just raining blood. Raining blood.
And did you hear the arrow go by?
I thought you missed it first because I was like,
That's here, no question.
pull his ass over.
You got this, muscle
Got
man.
it fluttered.
So
I don't need
get
to
under.
do this anymore. Fuck that. Here,
Best thing you can do is get under there and just pull hard.
Yeah.
And then you just barely touch it. You don't touch it hard enough to go through the eye. Leaving shit like that.
Yeah.
It's just as easy to flesh that as it is if you don't.
One sec.
You just gotta do that.
It's not gonna be even close, Matthew.
Yes, it is.
This is beautiful.
Oh yeah.
What do you think? It's gonna be 7 or 8, almost 8, 7 or 8. It's gonna be 9. Oh, I bet it's close to 20.
What we've all waited for.
Oh,
Oh,
Don't see any yet.
that's a good one.
Or feel any.
It's a good heart.
Here we go.
oh, it looks.
Oh, Harry's got heart.
Ooh, look at that.
Oh.
those dogs are gonna want in that shit.
Ooh, is that a fawn?
Oh, Matt, what's that?
It is.
Oh, the fawn killer. Dude, I gotta get that photo off you.
The perfect white canvas.
Harry.
Yeah, Gregory.
Legend.
Oh man.
Yeah.
Just like that.
Sweet.
We need the cheer pups in there.
Sounds like cheer pups, but not. Alright, stretching now.
Alright boys, what are we doing tomorrow?
Dude.
Getting another one.
Hell yeah.
One just like